Hello there, welcome back, and thank you so much for stopping by and hanging out with me today. It's been quite a while since I've uploaded. I'm gonna fill you in on what happened in another video, but today I wanted to showcase some plants that I got in the mail about a month and a half ago from PLANTXCO. Now, this is a small shop on Etsy that specializes in sending out spider plant babies. And all of these plants are sent out in low to no waste packaging, kind of depending, on how you choose to reuse the things, if you have a recycling program in your area, etc. Now, I have received a lot of plants in the mail over the years, and the packaging that PLANTXCO uses, in my opinion, makes this by far the most sustainable plants by mail company. I will be leaving down below in the description box a link to their Etsy shop so you can check out these plants for yourself and purchase some little spider plant babies for you or someone else. Before we do jump into the unboxing, I do want to give a big thank you to the folks over at PLANTXCO who did reach out to me to send these plants over for today's unboxings. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Oh, and if you are new here, welcome. I actually mapped it out today. I plan to start uploading again 3 days a week, and I would love to have you along for that adventure. So make sure you click that subscribe button, wherever it is down below, that red subscribe button, and ring the bell before you leave here today. That way YouTube will let you know each and every time I upload a video. All right, let's get into that unboxing. This is the actual box that your plants will arrive in. Now, this did come in outer packaging. Here's what that outer packaging looks like. It is compostable, completely low to no waste. Speaking of low to no waste, like I said before, all of the contents within this package are that way. You do have the twine holding things together that can be reused. I plan on reusing my twine to stake tomatoes in the summer. Here is the card that comes with all of your instructions of how to care for your spider plant. Pause if you would like to read. And let's open her up. Beautiful. They came looking so fresh, like they were literally handed to me from the shop owner, not in the mail for 2 days. Here is another QR code if you would like to pause. We have our recyclable inner packaging. And here's how your plants come all wrapped up. There is no nursery pot or anything like that. It is simply the plant that is wrapped in a biodegradable wet paper towel. Comes all nice and perky, looks beautiful. I was really, really pleased and impressed with the way that these plants came and how vibrant these plants looked. So we have a little more twine holding things together, and of course plastic wrap covering the wet paper towel. I plan to use this plastic wrap though whenever I do some seedings of some vegetables before, to kind of like greenhouse effect it. So this is definitely going to get reused. You can see the roots are wrapped in a wet paper towel. This is still wet. I have to say that impressed me as well. I didn't expect, I don't know what I was expecting, but once again, it feels like this was just handed to me, so that plastic wrap did really do a great job. Let me unwrap this so we can see that root system of the spider plant. And here we go. Looks super healthy. Lovely. So what I am going to do is put these in water for a few days just to kind of, I don't know, activate the roots. I'm not exactly sure if I need to do that, but I will do that and plant them. So it's been about a month since I filmed that unboxing. I have been really not well, so it took a while for me to film this, but this is what one of those plants looks like about a month and a half later. This is beautiful. Definitely grew a lot. Now let's go take a look at the other plant. So both of those plants, by the way, I do keep in relatively dark lighting. The first one one that I showed you is kept in my dining room, which has no windows. Of course, there is a lamp that is kind of over it to the side, so it does get some light. And this next one, as you can see, is in my bathroom, so it does get the lights whenever they're turned on when I'm in the bathroom, but otherwise relatively dark, and I find that they've done so well. And that's something that I've read that spider plants do well in the dark, or not really the dark, but they do well in dim lit situations. So here is the second plant. So I think this one looks just as great. So that is it for today's video. Once again, I will be leaving PLANTXCO's Etsy shop down below in the description box, as well as the social handles so you can check out their social media platforms. Thank you so much for spending a little bit of your day with me. I hope that you have a wonderful rest of your day, and I'll see you in another video. Goodbye!